Fort Myers, best cheap summer vacations. Compared to its party neighbors on the eastern side of the state, this Gulfside vacation spot is quieter but no less interesting. The hustle and bustle you'll find in cities like Miami is replaced by family-friendly beaches and historic homes, like the Edison and Ford Winter Estates. Both historic figures are credited with transforming Fort Myers into the lush hideaway it is today. Being one with nature is also important to the city, with dozens of wildlife and nature preserves scattered throughout the area, such as Manatee Park. How to save money in Fort Myers? Hug the tree. Explore a number of stunning nature preserves for little to no cost. Get an early start. Travel in spring, March through May for a more affordable and less crowded experience. Be a happy camper. The area is home to numerous campgrounds and RV parks, such as Coshone State Historic Site, where you can cut accommodation costs while increasing your time in the incredible climate. Culture and customs. Like many other Florida beach destinations, Fort Myers is a relaxed place with friendly residents. But keep in mind that a little politeness goes a long way, and it's important to remember proper etiquette. Downtown Fort Myers is 30 miles from the closest beach, so keep the swimsuits just for the shore. Shorts and t-shirts are widely accepted, although you may want to pack nicer clothes for dining out. What to eat? Fringed by both the Gulf of Mexico and the Caloosahatchee River, Fort Myers menus are dominated by seafood. For the catch of the day, recent visitors recommend Skip One Seafood Market south of downtown, known for catching its own shrimp as well as local favorite Grand Burka Restaurant and Fish Market. If you're looking for a unique experience, try the Veranda, located in two early 20th century homes near the historic downtown district, for Roadhouse, which provides live jazz music during dinner. Getting around Fort Myers. The best way to get around Fort Myers is by car, with the closest beach about 20 miles south of downtown. A car will facilitate your fun, plus, the alternatives may give you a headache. The available public transportation has a reputation for being inconvenient and unreliable. Also, aside from the tiny historic downtown, travelers say it's not easy to walk around due to the distance between attractions.